Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up realms. First, open Minecraft and navigate to the Minecraft Realms button on the main menu. You'll then see an option to buy realm or start free trial. Choose the option that suits you best to begin the subscription process. This will guide you through selecting a subscription plan and confirming your purchase. After purchasing, you'll need to select your realm type, either a 2-player or 10-player option. Next, decide if you want to start a brand new world or upload one you've already been playing on. If creating new, you can customize settings like difficulty, game mode, and even a seed. Take your time to ensure these settings are exactly how you want them for your new adventure. Once your realm is active, it's time to invite your friends. Go to the Configure Realm screen and select the Players tab. Here, you can enter the gamer tags of the people you want to join your world. They will receive an invitation in their game. You can also manage who is on your realm from this screen, removing players if needed. Your realm is now ready for endless adventures. Remember, you can always go back into the Configure Realm settings to adjust game rules, change the difficulty, or even upload a different world. Regular backups are automatically created, but you can also download your world at any time. Don't forget to renew your subscription to keep the fun going.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.